डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे रूल ऑफ फाइंडिंग डोमेन ऑफ फंक्शन। फर्स्ट रूल, रूल वन, फंक्शन of the form f of x equal to px by qx, that is function in the form of p by q. For f of x defined, we need qx is not equal to 0, because if qx 0, then whole function becomes to not defined, because something by 0 is not defined. So we need qx not equal to 0 for function defined. Question 1, find domain if f of x equal to x minus 2 by x minus 1. Rule 1, if function px by qx, for f of x defined, we need qx not equal to 0. So here qx is equal to x minus 1. So x minus 1 is not equal to 0, that is x not equal to 1. Therefore domain equal to set of real number minus 1. Domain means input value of function. So here only one value we can't be put, that is 1. If we put 1 in place of x, we get 1 minus 1 is 0, and which is not defined. So domain is r minus 1. R is the set of all real number. Question 2, if f of x equal to x plus 3 by x square minus 4, then domain is, for f of x defined, we need x square minus 4 not equal to 0, which is x square not equal to 4, and x is equal not equal to 2 and minus 2. So domain equal to r minus set of 2 comma minus 2. Question number 3, f of x equal to x square plus 3x plus 5 by x square minus 5x plus 4. Again, since for f of x defined, we need qx is not equal to 0, so here x square minus 5x plus 4 is not equal to 0. After factorize, we have x minus 1, x minus 4, which is not equal to 0. So we have x not equal to 1 and not equal to 4. So domain equal to set of real number minus 1 comma 4. Similarly, fourth question is f of x equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 by x square minus 8x plus 12. Our domain is r minus set of 2 comma 6. Question number 1. Fifth is f of x equal to 5x by x square plus 4. For domain, we need qx is not equal to 0. So x square plus 4 not equal to 0, and we have x square is not equal to minus 4. Also x not equal to plus minus root under minus 4. Since root under minus 4 is not a real number, so there is no any real number which hold this. So domain equal to set of real number. There is no any value of x for x square plus 4 equal to 0. So there is no any problem for domain. Domain is set of real number. Rule number 2. For the function form of f of x equal to not contain square root. That is, f of x not contain square root, then in this case domain equal to R, where R means the set of real number. Question 2. Find domain of first f of x equal to x square plus 4. There is not contain square root or not contain px by qx form. So f of x equal to x square plus 4, domain equal to R, where R is the set of real number. Question 2. F of x equal to mod x. Again, there is not contain any square root of variable x. So domain equal to R, which is set of real number. Third is f of x equal to 2 plus mod of x. In this case, the function is not p by q form, also not contain square root in variables. So domain equal to R. Question number 4. F of x equal to 2 minus 3x. Domain equal to again R, because there is no restriction, so not contain any square root. Fifth one is f of x equal to root 2 x plus 5. Domain is R, because there is a root 2x plus 5. Root contain a, there is root contain, but root contain in constant, so there is no problem in square root. So domain equal to R. Rule 2 is that f of x not contain square root means in variables, वेरिएबल में स्क्वायर रूट नहीं कंटेन करना चाहिए, तभी हमारा ये डोमेन आर होगा. और थर्ड हमारा फिफ्थ एग्जांपल है एफ ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू √2x+5, जो कि रूट जो है वो एक नंबर पे कंटेन कर रहा है, जिससे हमारे फंक्शंस में कोई परेशानी नहीं होगा और डोमेन हम आर सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर लिख सकते हैं।